Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sew a two-piece shirt collar. So without wasting your time, let's get to it. So to begin, we're going to be needing the following tools: scissors, some calico fabric, the two-piece collar patterns, and some lightweight interfacing. So to start, I'm going to cut out the two shirt collar pieces and then fold my calico. Remember, when we were drafting the collar pieces, we were drafting it to be cut on a fold. So once I fold the necessary fabric that I need, I'm going to secure the pattern piece on the fabric with some pins. So while we're cutting it, they don't move around. So for the fabric, I'm going to be cutting two pieces of each collar pattern pieces. So that means I'm going to have one for the front and then have one for the back. And once I'm done doing that, I'm going to cut one piece of each on the lightweight interfacing. So as you can see, we have two pieces each for the fabric and one piece each for the interfacing. So the next step is to fuse the interface on the wrong side of one of the top collar and collar stand. So once you're done, this is what it should look like. So the next step is to fold in the 1 centimeter seam allowance at the bottom of the collar stand. So I'm going to iron that so it stays in place, and then I'm going to sew a straight line. So right now I'm folding my collar pieces in half and notching them. I should have done this at the beginning, but I forgot. So if you're new to my channel, please can I ask you to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. You'll be supporting my channel if you do, and this would encourage me to create more videos. So once I'm done, I'm going to place the two top collar pieces together, front sides facing each other. Then I'm going to sew on the 1 centimeter seam allowance all through, leaving an opening at the bottom. So I'm just going to start from here, go all the way, and then end there. So this is what it looks like. I've also trimmed the corners of the top collar so it makes it easy for me to turn it over. Once I turn it over, I'm going to iron it so everything is flat. Then I am going to top stitch. So the next step is to attach the collar stand to the top collar. So I'm going to place one piece of the collar stand upside down on one side of the top collar, right sides facing each other. I'm also going to be matching my notches. Then I'm going to flip it over and place the other collar stand on the top collar, upside down, right sides facing each other, and I'm also going to be matching my notches. I'm going to use some pins to secure it as well. So this is more like sandwiching the top collar between the collar stands. So once we do that and secure it with some pins, we're going to sew from one end to the other, sewing on a 1 centimeter seam allowance. So once you're done, in order to flip it over, you can create some notches along the sewing so it makes it easy for you to flip it over. So I've given it a good press and this is what it looks like. As you can see, we have an excess fabric on the back collar. So this is the seam allowance we're going to use to attach the collar to the shirt neckline. So we're going to do it like so, and then we're going to top stitch it. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and please do not forget to subscribe. You can also leave your questions below in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, have a good day.